Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 crypto exchanges with one of the lowest fee in the market. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first crypto exchange with one of the lowest fee in the market is CoinSmart. CoinSmart makes cryptocurrency trading a lot more simple for beginners and experienced traders. And over here, you can learn a bit more about how the platform works. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading platform as easy as possible. You can buy and sell various digital currencies over here. Not just that, they do have advanced crypto trading tools. So even if you are an experienced traders, you can still use this platform to set up various type of orders and execute it. Also, one of the really cool thing about CoinSmart is that creating an account and getting verified is very simple, and it just takes few seconds to few minutes to get it done. They also provide smart guarantee, meaning all your deposits in your account are deposited within the same day. All fiat withdrawals are also processed within 5 business days, and all accounts are verified the same day, which is instantly, which ensures that the process of trading cryptocurrency and entering this world of cryptocurrency becomes a lot more simpler. It is a Canadian platform, that's why it is located in Canada, and they also provide 24/7 live support, so that's really good. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to them. And one of the really cool feature of CoinSmart is the fact that they have launched Smart Pay, which is one of the easiest way in which you can accept any cryptocurrency payments. So you can convert your Bitcoin to fiat currency in the same day, and it will be wired to your bank account, and that way you will get a guaranteed exchange rate and lower transaction fees without any risk of chargebacks or price volatility. So that's really amazing. They also have Smart Pay invoicing, so if you have any customers out there who use cryptocurrency for the process of transactions, you can always invoice them in crypto. So that's a really cool feature. They also have a OTC platform, so anybody out there who is a professional trader who trades in large volume can also get access to their OTC platform. You can also create an account and download them on your phone, so they are available on App Store and Google Play. When it comes to fees, as you can see, especially for Canadians, in Interac e-transfer, they offer 0% fee on $2,000 plus, 1.5% fee on $100 to $2,000, bank wire 0% fee, credit and debit cards up to 6% fee. Also, the processing time is usually within the same day, so that's quite impressive. And even the withdrawal methods are also quite easy to handle. They have a fee of 1% for electronic fund transfer, 1% for bank wire, and all the crypto withdrawal fees are mentioned over here, something that you always want to consider when transacting with cryptocurrency. When we click Europe, you're going to see the funding options are SEPA, bank wire, bank draft, credit and debit card. The fee is almost 0% for these 3 methods, whereas for credit and debit card, the fee is up to 6%. So if you're somebody out there who is looking for low fee crypto platform, then definitely check out CoinSmart. It is number 1 on our list. The next platform that I want to introduce you guys to is Crypto.com, which is one of the most well-known and biggest platform out there, established in 90 countries. They have 10 million users and 3,000 employees, which is pretty impressive. It lets you buy over 250 cryptocurrencies with fiat through Crypto.com Visa card and bank account. And the Crypto.com card allows users to access, manage and spend crypto at any time on the Visa ATM, and also you can store them globally. They also have a really cool staking platform, so all you need to do is deposit your cryptocurrency, and in exchange of that you can earn exciting rewards and make some more money. You can download them on App Store, you can get them on Google Play, and they also have a Crypto.com exchange, which you can get it on your desktop. They also have a Crypto.com DeFi platform, which makes DeFi a lot more simple for anybody who is new to the decentralized finance side of cryptocurrency world. They also make DeFi quite simple, so you can access their Crypto.com DeFi platform and learn about it and how it works. It was founded in 2016. It is a team of 4,000 people. They have 10 million users on the platform, and they have an insurance coverage of 750 million US dollars. They have an app where you can buy and trade cryptocurrency. They have an NFT platform as well for all those NFT enthusiasts out there. They also have a metal Visa card which you can use to make purchases and earn cryptocurrency back into your account for spending money in cryptocurrency. They also have Crypto.com pay feature where you can pay and get paid in cryptocurrency. They have an earn feature where you can earn rewards simply for staking your cryptocurrency, and not just that, you can also get loans in the form of cryptocurrencies instantly with no deadlines. For advanced trading, they have margin trading, derivatives trading, exchange as well, where you can have access to lower fees and more liquidity. You also get a wallet where you can control your private keys. You can earn interest from their DeFi protocols. You can also farm popular DeFi tokens in their swap feature. They also have their own ecosystem, which is crypto.org chain, and you can pay for business as well using Crypto.com. So when it comes to trading fees, they have 0.4% maker and taker for level 1, which is anybody who trades from $0 to $25,000 in trading volume, to 0.04% maker to 0.1% taker fees for level 9 for anybody who trades over this much amount. So again, this is number 2 on our list because it is one of the best platforms to trade so many different type of cryptocurrencies. They have so many features and so many different type of products, and also the fees are quite competitive, and that's why it is worth checking out. The next one on our list is Binance, which is one of the top 5 cryptocurrency exchange app in terms of the trading volume. It supports 150 cryptocurrencies and coins, including the most popular ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and its own BNB coin. It now works in US, Europe, Australia, and Africa, and the exchange reported that more than 100 million people are using this exchange per year. So that's really good. They have access to 600 plus cryptocurrencies on their platform. $76 billion is their trading volume. 90 million registered users are active on their platform, and their transaction fees are less than 0.10%. You can use this app and fund your account, get your identity verified, and start trading. It's really that simple. And also they do have other exciting features such as the NFT world. They provide access to Binance Pay for all the businesses out there, and also you can stake and earn more cryptocurrencies by holding on to your favorite cryptocurrency. You can also get access to Binance on App Store, Android, Google Play, Mac, Windows, Linux API. They also have 24/7 chat support. They have FAQ section and also a blog where you can learn more about how the blockchain works. So currently they offer quite a different variety of features. So they have an exchange, they have institutional and VIP services, they have enterprise exchange solutions, token launch platform, gift card, academy, learn and earn program, text, research, Binance Live. They have a broker, charity, labs, trust wallet, and API. So quite exciting stuff. And not just that, you can also convert, you can do margin trading, spot trading, P2P trading, strategy trading, swap farming, and fan token. So if you are an enthusiast in the world of cryptocurrency, you can click register, follow the prompts, and create an account with Binance. And the fees are again quite competitive, so that's why it's number 3 on our list. The next one on our list is known as CoinMama, which is one of the easiest way to trade cryptocurrency. It is trusted by over 3 million people across 188 countries, and it was founded in the year 2015. You can buy with a credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. They have a faster transaction speeds. They have faster verification as well. You can get your favorite coins and you can get instant delivery within few seconds. Their buying method includes Visa, SEPA, MasterCard, bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Play, and Skrill. And when selling, you can receive fiat into your bank account directly. And this exchange is one of the oldest in the industry, and it is now being used by so many different people. So that's really impressive. And while you're buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on the platform, you do not need to deposit the money, and the crypto will be sent to your external wallet within few hours. Because you initially first sign up and verify an account before buying, you can also track the progress of any orders you place. So if you want to sign up, you can click sign up over here and enter your information and follow the prompts. They also have an academy where you can learn how to trade crypto. They have a really impressive loyalty program, and you can build a long-term crypto portfolio of up to $100 million with this platform with their white glove service. So that's really cool. In terms of trading fees, is 0% for SEPA, 0% for SWIFT for orders over $1,000, and 0% for faster payments in UK only, and $4.99% on credit and debit cards. So that's why it's number 4 on our list, because it is one of the oldest and reputable platform out there with quite competitive fees. So the next one on our list is Prime XPT. It is a trading platform which is one of the best in class platform. You have access to global markets and you get 24/7 support, and with this platform you can also earn simply by inviting your friends to it. So that's a really cool way to make some free money. It pays up to 50% of the trading fees. As per the website, it is an award-winning platform for trading different type of cryptocurrency. They have access to 100 plus markets. You can also earn up to 14% on your crypto by staking it. So that's really impressive. They have 100 plus assets, meaning 100 plus cryptocurrencies. They have stock indices as well, commodities, forex market. You can do all of this from one single account. It has also received an award for best crypto and forex broker and a best platform for margin trading. The order execution speed is really impressive. It's less than 7.12 milliseconds. More than 12,000 orders are executed per second. There are 12 plus integrated liquidity providers, and this is their trading volume every single trade. And they also provide copy leading trading with co-vesting copy trading module, meaning you can copy the strategies of existing professional and successful traders out there and make money. You also can earn 14% APY as an interest by holding on to your cryptocurrencies. You can also get access to new opportunities, increase the profits, and also the platform is quite safe and secure. If you want to get started with them, you can click register, enter your information, follow the prompts to create an account. They offer a platform where you can buy cryptocurrency, you can do margin trading, earn interest, copy trading, trading contests, and academy as well. They have access to cryptocurrency market, forex market, commodities market, stock indices, and all trading instruments. In terms of tools, they offer long and short trading, Bitcoin leverage, cryptocurrency price chart, forex price chart, index price charts, commodity price charts, and copy trading. Opening an account is completely done for free of cost, and it offers an exciting trading condition as well as quite competitive fees. When you check the trading conditions and open account for margin, co-vesting, and turbo, the trade fee would be 0.05% for cryptocurrencies, 0.01% for indices and commodities, and 0.001% for forex majors, and that's why it's number 5th on our list. So I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. All the links are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. Till then, take care. Bye.